Hello everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. We're going to be doing a different kind of video. So we're going to be unboxing a Happy Meal. Now, I haven't had a Happy Meal since I was 10, and it is the 40th year of the Happy Meal. So I'm going to show you the Happy Meal right away so that I don't bore you with my sob stories about my broken childhood. So here is the Happy Meal box. As you can see, it's got a lot of nostalgia on it. You got the cheeseburger, the hamburglar, you got Hello Kitty, you got Hot Wheels, you got LOL, you got the Furbies, you got the TTYL, talk to you later, roller skates with the stoppers, the shades, and then later, and then it says the rainbow, and then it also has the chicken McNuggets, and there's the iconic Happy Meal smile, then you got Grimace on the front here, and then you also got a plethora of other things. So it says here, changeables, and then you got Bugs Bunny in a Space Jam outfit, Friday, a boombox, a floppy disk, rad, you got a Tamagotchi, you got the stars, you got the My Little Pony, you also got, I don't know what this is, oh, it's a Transformer, it's a Transformer, and then you got As If, and then you also have other iconic characters like the Red Ranger from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, you got another Furby, and you got the 40-year badge of the Happy Meal, and then you got the McChicken Nugget Cop, and then you got the Teeny Beanie Babies. So we're going to see inside what the toys are, because they just came out with these today, and we're going to see what kind of toy we get today. I don't know what I'm going to get, but we're going to see what happens. So I ordered a cheeseburger Happy Meal, but we're just going to see what we get here. So we got our fries, we got our cheeseburger, we got our yogurt, and the moment of truth, we got our toy. So it's a surprise toy, a surprise toy from 1993. Wow, 93. So let's see what we got in this wonderful bag. It's a surprise. We don't know what we're gonna get here. So yeah. And no, I don't look like a guy that eats a lot of Happy Meals. So let's see what we get here. Woo! We got a Hot Wheel. Oh, that looks nice. So this is a Hot Wheels car from Mattel, made in China. It's got the red coloring on it, the nice tires, and it's a McDonald's rally car. So this is really cool. I was hoping to get a Red Ranger, but this will have to suffice for now. But yeah, there are a lot of these toys out there. I mean, you don't need to see the food, but it comes in this really cool retro box, and it is really exciting. And I'm going to keep this for my collection, and the next time I'll try for one of these. I don't know how long this retro period is going to last, but I hope to get a Red Ranger doll. I enjoyed the Power Rangers growing up, watching the TV series as a kid, and I hope to get the Red Ranger doll. So if a lot of you like Tamagotchi or Beanie Babies or Power Rangers or Hot Wheels or Furbies, you got to get a Happy Meal right away here. Today and then the days after are like the best times to get a Happy Meal. So I got the Hot Wheels car, and we're going to see what I get next. So I might make another video about this. These are really fun. I'm not going to eat all these Happy Meals, honestly. I'm gonna give the food to somebody that needs them other than me, but I am gonna eat this one. I haven't had lunch yet. So anyways, thank you very much for watching this quick video. So just to catalog, I have the Hot Wheels car as part of the Happy Meal retro collection. I don't know if you can zoom in on this. There we go. So there is the detailing of the car. I mean, there's no stickers on it. Well, there is stickers on it. It says number 27. And it's got the McDonald's logo, and then 27 on the top, and then McDonald's on the sides with the tire design. Nothing on the back here. And then underneath it has the inscriptions. It is 1993, or sorry, let me just flip it over again. It says 1993 Mattel, made in China, and it also has the corporation branding on it here. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's what we got now. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. And I hope to do another one of these if I have enough money to buy another Happy Meal.